Hi everyone, the topic is software testing methods and techniques. It is present by K. Abhinaya from 3rd CSC B section. Now we go into the topic. The topic is software testing methods. The software can be tested in three ways. The first way is black box testing, the second way is white box testing, the third way is grey box testing. Now we going to the flow chart. See the chart. Why we are going to the testing? To get the quality and the correct output through the program. So we going to the testing. The testing is handled by the two methods. The one method is black box method. The another method is white box method. The black box method having the some testing techniques. The testing techniques of equivalent patternizing, boundary value analysis, case effect graphic techniques, comparison testing, FOSS technique, model based testing. The white box method having the some technique testings. The testings are basic path testing, loop testing, and control structure testing. Now we will see about the black box testing. The black box testing is nothing but black box testing is testing software based on the output requirements and without any knowledge of the internal structure or coding in the program. In another words, a black box testing is any device whose working or not understood by the accessible to its user. For example, in telecommunication, it is a resistor connected to the phone line that make it possible for the telephone company's equipment to detect a call has been answered. In data mining, a black box is an algorithm that does not provide the explanation of how it's work. In film making, a black box testing decide hardware device equipped that is specially used for particular function, but the financial world, it is a competitive trading system that does not make it tools easily available. So we are going to the black box testing. The black box testing is a easy method to handle the testing. It is used for the internet programming or many techniques. In recent years, the third line testing method has been considered. Define the testing software while already having some knowledge of underlying code or logic. By using the black box testing, we have minimizing the errors. The following errors are detected by the black box testing. The first error is incorrect or missing function. The second error is the interface errors, and third error is error in the data structure or external database access. The final error is performance errors. And we are seeing the white box testing. The white box testing is nothing but white box testing is based on the application internal code structure. It is also called the white box analysis and clear box testing or white box analysis. It is strategy for software debugging. And the other word is say white box testing is it is a simple method better than the black box testing. It is used to test the programs. It is based on the programming and programmer skills are used to the test the use cases. And we will see the gray box testing. The gray box testing is the combination of both white box and black box testing. This is to work on this type of testing needs to have access and design the documents. It is used to design the documents easily better the black box and white box testing. It is based on the internet data structures and algorithms. For design the test cases more than black box testing but less than white box testing. Next we will see the software testing technologies. The software testing is handled by the many technologies. Some technologies are handled by the level by level. The testing levels of the unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. First we will see the unit testing. Unit testing is nothing but each of the units carries out a unique and specific function or task. It means the test units, the particular unit perform the task or function, special functions. So it is called the unit testing. The unit testing is the test of each the unit independently to ensure that it carries out its immediate task or function. The software application compares of various blocks of code, for example models, routes, procedures, functions, calls, etc. Each they refer to as a unit. For example models is referred to the unit. The all units are tested by the unit testing. The next testing technique is technique level is integration testing. The integration testing level is nothing but at integration testing ensure that the occurs. That is, for example, we have the camera mobiles, and we have just the normal camera. It capture the picture and store in the memory or space, some space. The memory space is fully integrated, so it is called the integrated parts. The integrated parts or space or memory is tested by the integration testing, so it is called the integration testing. The integration testing is it is very effective testing compared than the unit testing. The unit testing is simplified testing, but the integration testing is clearly it is gives the clear output compared than the unit testing. And next one is system testing. A system testing is a combination of various units and integration together. For example, what is gray testing? Gray testing is a combination of black box testing and white box testing. Like this, in system testing is nothing but it is a combination of unit testing and integration testing. The system testing ensures that all the units are fully integrated and functions as one, meeting the design requirements. Once a phone is fully complete, it is tested as a whole to see how well it functions as a phone with its individual components. The last testing level is acceptance testing. It is the final phase of functional testing, and it is used to check the software is ready for use. The product must be checked for compliance with the business criteria, and it meets the end user's need. At this level of software development, it is tested for acceptance both the unit testing and integrated testing, and also entirely by the selected group of end users. Thank you.